Have you ever wondered how Divi child themes are created? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'll be showing you how to create Divi child themes. Hello everyone and welcome to WP User TV. My name is Mac and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Divi child themes. When I first came across this plugin, I was very skeptical, but to be honest, it did the job. So what this plugin does is it allows you to export your Divi website as a plugin or as a child theme. This also includes demo content. So let's say, for example, you have posts that are already on your website. You can export these as well. Now, why would you want to create your own child themes? Now, here's a few things that I want to discuss with you, which you may consider when you purchase or use the free version of this plugin. So first of all, I'm sure you've seen some of these websites that have popped up which sell Divi child themes. So you can actually start creating your own Divi child themes and sell them. Secondly, you can use this plugin as a blueprint. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're a freelance designer and you have specific layouts that you have or that you use for every website that you design. You can actually have a standard design that you have, which you can then export as a child theme and use every time you create a brand new website. The third way is to actually use these child themes to build your email list by giving them away for free. So these are a few ways that you can use this plugin. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to use this plugin. So this involves packaging your website and also importing all your demo content on a brand new Divi website. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is to make a child theme of this website. So this is a website which I created as part of my course, which is coming up, called How to Create Membership Websites Using Divi. So it's a fully functioning site. It has all my pages up here. You can see that if I click on our team, it actually goes to the actual page. It has all my colors in place and all that goodness. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to package this website. Okay, so let me show you how this is done. So first of all, you want to go to this website, and this is where I bought the plugin from. So I went and bought the full version because they have two versions of this plugin. They have a free one and also a paid version. So I was so excited about the fact that it did the job, so I went on and bought the full version. Okay, so I've gone ahead and downloaded, and I also have my license key. So what I need to do here is to install this plugin. So I'm going to come over here to my dashboard. I'm going to click on plugins, click on add new, and then I'm going to click upload plugin, choose file. Now my file is in my downloads folder, and you can see here it's Jedi Master. I'm going to click install now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and activate the plugin. Okay, so now that it's activated, I'm going to come over here to Jedi Master, all the way down here to the bottom where it says license. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to paste my license key in here. I'm going to click on save changes, activate license. Okay, so now that all this is set, I'm just going to click on save changes. So I'm going to come over here, click on export demo content. Right, so this is where now you get to choose what you need to export. So we have a long list here. So we have include posts and pages. So I advise that you do that definitely because you want to make sure that the child theme that you export has all the pages that you've created. Okay, so over here it says include media library. Again, that is important because your pages won't have those images that you have created. So I'll just make sure that is checked. Include Divi theme options again, and Divi customizer settings. Again, this is important because you want the person that downloads your child theme to not mess around with all these settings. So they will just have all these settings in place. Okay, so include customizer additional CSS. Yeah, so I'm going to leave all that as it is. The menu structure as well is fine. Automatically set homepage. Again, you can always go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's the thing now. Import installer style. This is where you choose whether you want to the installer style to be a plugin or a child theme installer. So I prefer child theme, so I'm going to select child theme. And then over here, you can give it a name. So I'm going to call this Mac membership because this is a membership website. And then here you can add a message, but for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is. and then recommend plugin. You can also make a list of plugins here that you recommend, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'll just leave that as it is. And then I'm going to click on export demo content. Click the button, and then Jedi is going to do its magic. It will take a while because this site has quite a lot of pages, so just have to be patient. Okay, so now we can see that it has exported. It says export complete. We have posts and pages exported 100. We have also media files exported 146. Okay, and all that good stuff. So now our child theme is ready. So all you have to do now is to click on this button here, and then that downloads it onto your computer. Okay, so now that this child theme is downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to load this child theme on a brand new Divi website which does not have any content. Okay, so before you get started, what you may want to do is to make sure that you have Divi installed on your website. So this is what I have right now. This is just a basic install of Divi. So next you need to go into your admin dashboard, and then you need to upload this child theme. So I'm going to come over here to Appearance, click on Themes, click on Add New. I'm going to click Upload, and then click on Choose File. Okay, so the child theme that I compiled is here in my download, so I'm just going to double click on it like that, and then click on Install Now. So it does take a while. Right now it's on about 40%, and this is because there's quite a few pages on there that I created, and this is probably the reason why it's taking a bit of time. And by the way, if you haven't bought Divi yet, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, which is in the show notes below, I will give you full access to my course, which is called Divi Blueprint 3. This course shows you step by step how to use Divi, and throughout the course as well, we'll be doing a proper project whereby you get to design a 5-page website. So check it out. Okay, so now that my theme has been installed successfully, we can see here it says theme installed successfully. All I have to do now is to click on Activate. Okay, so now that our child theme has been installed, the next thing we need to do is to import the demo content. So this is the pages, the posts. So here you can see we have an entry right here at the top, and this is my name, the name of my child theme. So all I have to do now is to click on Easy Demo Import, like that, and then you can now check these boxes. So pretty much what this is for you to just see what needs to be imported. So let's say, for example, you want to include your media library from the site that you've created a child theme from. You can just check the box. So normally I just make sure that all this is set, and then I click on Import Demo Content. So now all my pages, my posts, my images are all going to be now on my brand new website. Okay, so it looks like all my content has been imported. Now, just so that you know, this may sometimes take a bit of time. So in my case, it took me about 2 minutes for all this information to be loaded onto my website. So what I normally do here after this has been done is to come over here to all pages and just check and see if there's any pages there. Now we can see that pages have been added, which is fantastic. I can also go here to my media library and check if any images were added, and sure enough, all these images are now added in my library. Now here's the moment of truth. So initially we started off with this website as a blank Divi install. So now let's take a look and see if the site has been created. Okay, so here on my site I can see this is exactly my website, which I compiled as a child theme. All my content is there, and also the menu over here has also been created, which is fantastic. So if I click on our team here, we can see that all the information is actually in there, which is brilliant. So all the information that I had in my website is now here on this brand new demo website, which started off with a blank Divi website. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these child themes. So you can go ahead and start creating these child themes, and even go ahead and start selling, these child themes. So this child theme is part of my new course coming up, which is called How to Create Membership Websites Using Divi. So you will be seeing this soon, and I'll also be giving it away for free if you buy the course. So Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do follow me on my social media platforms. By doing so, you'll also be notified when I release new videos. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon.